I'm Aditi Mishra from Allahabad branch, which was Allahabad, now it's Prayagraj. And I was in the Breeze weekend program of CP for the last 2 years. And I did my schooling from Bethany Convent School. And I had PCM as my subjects in class 12th. I also scored 94% at school. And right now I am going to NLU Delhi. I also hope I'll get Nalsar, but I'll prefer NLU Delhi over Nalsar. I had rank 54 in ALET and 142 in CLAT. It was pretty accidental. Though I had an interest in law and my father is an advocate in Allahabad High Court. But because I topped class 10th and I was very good at maths, so it was the family tradition. My tickets to Kota were booked and everyone wanted me to become an engineer. And the day my train had to depart, I said, I'm not doing any of this, I'm going to take up law. And so that's how it began. When I told my parents, so I have to do law now. We started hunting out for how to start because no one had any idea what I'll be doing, how I'll be doing it. So my father took me to many coachings and we had a chit chat with all the managers. And so Jaspreet Nam, who's our center in charge, she acquainted me with this idea of CLAT because I knew I had to do law. I was not pretty sure about the exam and all the process. So then we had some demo classes and I chose CP that way. And that was you can say the hardest part, to juggle the maths, sciences with the CLAT prep. But CP made it quite a breeze for me. My program's name was Breeze, and I tried to do most of the course for CLAT prep in 11th standard, because in 11th standard the schooling is not very heavy on you and you can manage it. And in 12th I focused more on boards. So that's how I went about it. Well, I cannot say there was any one particular turning point or climacteric because CP was right by my side all through the way, and I was bad at GK. So Sanjay sir helped me a lot with compendiums and everything. English was pretty fine with me, and because I have been in touch with mental ability and all those sections also, so not a lot of problem. I had to do legal and GK portion, and CP was very nice with GK because of compendiums and the material is very good. And then we had this club batch and we had a kind of good competition here and a good atmosphere, you can say. Well, nothing really works for everybody. Everyone has to chalk out their own strategies. So according to me, the smart study is more important than putting in, like people say they put in 12 plus hours. I don't know how, but you don't have to study a lot. You have to study the precise things that you need to study. So stick to the material that the coaching provides. Do all the mocks seriously. Everyone says that, do all the mocks seriously. That's the most important part because the exam is mainly about practice and time management. And then the weak area should be completed beforehand. You cannot just run through it in the last month or something. So the English and maths should be ideally done beforehand, and you can quite cope up with GK in the last part of the preparation.